Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to delete plugin on WordPress website. Why would you want to know how to delete plugins on WordPress websites? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to delete plugins on WordPress websites. So today I am going to show you how to delete plugins on WordPress website. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Deleting plugins on WordPress website is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will delete plugins on WordPress websites. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to plugin in the left menu and then click on install plugins. Now in this screen here are all my installed plugins and I want to delete this plugin. So just click on delete, and if your plugin is active, so first deactivate it and then delete it. So there you go. If you were wondering how to delete plugins on WordPress website, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.